Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Haylou Moripods. Okay, so as you can see, they are available on the devices list, but there is the information that they cannot communicate with my phone. And how to fix it? At the first, I can recommend you to go back from the pairing devices list, open the notification bar and turn off Bluetooth on your device. Next, put them back to your case. Now close this case and wait for like a few seconds. After that, open the case and take a look on these indicators. When they are not blinking, it means that we have to enter for the pairing mode manually. So just take them out of the case. Indicators are not activated, so click and hold right here and right here together at the same time until these indicators start blinking. Let's make it right now and take a look on the indicators. Keep holding. Okay, right now we can release. Put them back close to your phone, but do not put them right here. Right now, click to pair new device. As you can see right now they appears another time, so let's try. Click pair. Okay, and as you can see right now we successfully add them to the phone and we are connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.